She's called the Aurora, a classic cruise ship that's going to take a lot of TLC to whip her back into shape. And I'm the guy that's going to do it. My name is Chris Wilson, and I took on the project of a lifetime when I found the Aurora. She has hundreds of jobs that need to be tackled, and we're going to do them all right here.
What the hell happened in here?
Every project we work on, it goes over budget.
And this ship is somewhat of a legend, and we're only creating and building more legends here as we go forward.
I think we're going to need a bigger camera.
It's gonna take some money, but we got this.
Our team may be dysfunctional, but we've come a long way on this ship the last few years, and there's no telling what it is we're going to be able to do with this ship in the next 2 or 3 years.